Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel Positivity and Happiness. I hope you all are doing good. I hope you all are staying at home. You all are living a very healthy and peaceful life with your family. And I hope most importantly, you all are healthy. You all are eating a very balanced and healthy meal throughout the day. So my name is Purva, those who are visiting me for the first time, and I make lifestyle related healthy vlogs and videos for you all. In my channel, I always try to promote a very healthy and very positive lifestyle. So if you are liking my channel, please do subscribe, please consider subscribing, and please be a part of my positivity and happiness family. So now coming to today's video is going to be very simple and short video. I told you in my very simple yet very easy and healthy recipe with you all, that will be one breakfast idea and one lunch platter. Both the recipes will be loaded with fiber. It will be good for your weight loss journey. And my friends, these all recipes will help you to lose your weight. And if you are on your maintenance weight journey, then also you will get a lot of benefits. So, and also I'll show you what are the nutritional benefits of these recipes. So please stay tuned for a very useful and very healthy vlog. So now let's start. And my friends, here you can see I'm back in my kitchen. And here I'll show you my breakfast preparation and my lunch preparation. First, let's see what are there in the breakfast preparation. Very simple, you can see very minimum ingredients is there. So yeah, first of all, I'll show you this freshly cut salad, which is very healthy for your weight loss journey, loaded with fiber. I'll make a simple veggie egg wrap, which will be protein enriched, fiber enriched, and of course it will be with carbohydrate. But this kind of carb, the complex carbohydrate from this whole wheat chapati, will provide you with lots of energy throughout the day. So it will be very useful for your weight loss journey. If you don't have this type of tortilla wraps in your home, and don't worry, just the regular simple Indian style chapati that also I sometimes use in my breakfast wraps, you can use that kind of chapati or roti in this recipe. So in my kitchen today I have this type of wraps, so I'm using it. So from that you will get carbohydrate, and from that you will get lots of vitamins, and you will get lots of fiber. And here is the egg, which is my all-time favorite breakfast item. So yes, with these three ingredients and also with some salt, pepper and olive oil, I'll make my today's breakfast. Now let's see what are there in the lunch preparation. So my friends, here you can see for today's lunch I'll make super simple white rice. With that I'll make a very healthy and delicious dal. This is whole wheat masoor dal, and this masoor dal will help you to lose your weight because it's loaded with fiber. And I already soaked my dal, so it will not take much time to get cooked. And for that I have cut some onion and some tomatoes. And here is some vegetable, which is my all-time favorite because broccoli is very good for your weight loss journey. Capsicum, and there is some carrots, and also here is cauliflower. So with all this I'll make a vegetable saute, and with that I'll make the dal and the rice. So dal, chawal and sabji, the simple Indian style lunch. And also with that I'll show you my breakfast recipe. So now let's start. So my friends, now I'm here. You can see this is a non-stick skillet, and here is olive oil. I'll be using olive oil to make today's wrap. And here is one egg. So I'm going to mix just a little amount of salt and also just a little amount of black pepper. And with that I'll make and just beat it. So it's ready. And now here I'll just add little bit of olive oil, not much. Olive oil is very good for your weight loss journey. This is extra virgin olive oil. But yes, if you don't want to use olive oil, then you can use just a simple oil. Coconut oil is very good for your weight loss journey. And avocado oil is also good. My oil is hot now, and here at this point I'm going to add my beaten egg. And if you want, you can add some chili flakes too. And at this point, just add this wrap, this whole wheat chapati or tortilla wrap. And here, my friends, you can see my egg is well cooked. Here, just see. Within just 2-3 minutes in medium flame, your egg will be cooked. And now I'm taking it out in this plate. So my friends, here you can see my egg with tortilla wrap is ready. So it's looking super delicious. You can have it just like that. But yes, of course, it's a very, very good idea to add lots of vegetable in your diet if you are on your weight loss journey. So now I'll add my vegetable in this. My hand is washed properly, so I'm using my hand. Also, I'll make this type of wrap for my husband, and he will have it in the office. And here I'll add just a little amount of lemon juice and little amount of salt and pinch of black pepper powder, not much. So yes, my super healthy breakfast wrap is ready. Just look at this, my friends. It's looking super delicious and super gorgeous. And here you can see my breakfast is absolutely ready, my friends. This is how it looks like. And this way I have organized my breakfast platter. Super healthy, fiber loaded, protein rich wrap, breakfast wrap. With that, I'm going to have some nuts and some raisins and also 1 cup of green tea. So this way I just love to start my day. So now let's eat. So this is how my breakfast platter looks like, looking super yummy and super. So my friends, here you can see my lunch preparation is going on. I have already started making my very healthy dal. So here you have already seen this super healthy, weight loss friendly masoor dal, whole masoor dal. And here in the oil I have added 2 pieces of dry red chili, and then some cumin seeds, whole black pepper. Cumin seeds and black pepper, they all promote weight loss. And also here is fenugreek seeds, that is methi dana. So yeah, at this point I'm going to add my chopped onion into it. And now here I'm adding just a little amount of salt. And here you can see my onions, they already have started changing the color. And now here at this point I'm going to add my ginger garlic paste. Very simple dal recipe, just everyday dal which we all make in our home. But yes, comfort meal is always good. My friends, Ruchita Deepakar ma'am, she always tells, to have dal chawal, simple ghar ka khana. With this type of food also you can actually achieve your weight loss goal. But yes, you have to have lots of fruits, vegetables, high protein, high fiber meal, and of course you have to discard any kind of junk food and outside food. And also 30 minutes of exercise is very important. So if you can follow all these things. And now at this point I'm going to add all my dry masalas, which is very fine Indian masalas like turmeric powder, which always helps to boost your immunity, and then cumin powder and red chili powder. So yes, I'm going to add all the powder. And yes, here I have added my masoor dal, and now I'll add some warm water into it, and then I'll transfer it into my pressure cooker. And my friends, already I have started making my sauteed vegetable. So first of all, here is my veggies, which I have boiled for 2-3 minutes in microwave. And here in the olive oil, I have added some kalonji seeds and some garlic. My friends, garlic has lots of properties. This is magical. Garlic helps you to build your immunity, it promotes weight loss, and also if you can take garlic regularly, you will be very strong from your inside, and always it has anti-inflammatory properties. So please try to add garlic in your diet. So now I'm going to saute this. I remember in my childhood when I used to get sick, my mom always, gave me some garlic cloves, sauteed garlic cloves in mustard oil and with some kalonji seeds, or we call it kalo jire, we Bengali. And here you can see my dal. I already have transferred it into the pressure cooker. And now I'll add my veggies into it. And now here I'm adding some amount of salt and some turmeric. And at last I'll add some black pepper powder. That's it. So it will be super healthy vegetable. And my friends, here you can see I have covered the lid. Within just 5 to 10 minutes my veggie will be done. And here my dal is getting cooked. I will wait for just 2-3 whistles. It will be ready. And my rice is also ready. And then I'll serve the lunch. So my friends, now here I'm ready to serve my lunch. First of all, I have taken this very beautiful bowl. And now I'm going to add my dal and sabji into it. And also I just want to show you this amount of rice I usually take for my lunch. So 1 bowl of rice and 1 bowl of dal and 1 bowl of sabji. This is my measurement for the lunch. So yes, now here I'm going to add some veggie. So this veggie is looking super delicious and very healthy, loaded with fiber and lots of vitamins. Especially now in this COVID situation, you all have to take lots of fruits and vegetables to boost your immune system. And now here I'm going to add my dal. And this dal, you just see, it's so delicious, very tempting, and it's a comfort meal. So yes. Now this is how it looks like. Now I'll add 1 piece of lemon and 1 green chili on top, and just a little amount of ghee on the top of my dal, because ghee is always good for your health, good for your bone health, joint health. So please try to add ghee in your diet, because Rujita ma'am always says that if you're on your weight loss journey, then also you can add ghee in your diet. And dal chawal sabji ghee, it's a complete Indian comfort meal. It will definitely boost your metabolism. It will help you to build a good immune system, and also it will be helpful for your weight loss journey. Into it. And now here I'm going to add some ghee. Your dal will taste even more good with a tablespoon of ghee, and also some black pepper powder here on top of the sabji. So yes, this is how the comfort Indian meal, Indian lunch platter is ready. It's looking super healthy and super duper delicious. So that's all from today's video, my friends. I hope you have really enjoyed my today's lunch and breakfast recipes. Both are very simple, super easy. I wanted to make a full day eating vlog, but I thought, okay, in my new phone, let's make a short video first. So it was just breakfast and lunch recipes. Please do try it in your home. These are all very simple and basic lunch and breakfast ideas, which will help you to lose your weight. It will help you to be very healthy from your inside. I already provided lots of information throughout the video. So take care of your health, stay happy, stay positive. I'll see you guys super soon. So tata bye bye, love you.